See, as of now the customer has no hair in the frontal and the crown area. You can see this. So we have gone ahead and completely shaved off the frontal and the crown area to do the bonding. And today you can see the customer has opted for a very special hair patch, and this is called as Royal Mirage. The advantage of Royal Mirage is we can give you a very fine scalp kind of a feeling. Can you see this? So you can see it looks very natural. So now we are going ahead and doing the bonding. So you can see we have a very special customer today who's going for hair bonding, and he's going to use our celebrity system, which is called as Royal Mirage. Sir, so you can see we have our senior technician, always smiling, Uday. Where is the smile, Uday? Okay. So he's going to conduct the complete non-surgical hair replacement. So now you can see what we are doing here is now we are going ahead and applying scalp protector so that we protect the scalp completely. So already we have gone ahead and applied glue on the edges of the patch. So now we are bonding it onto the customer's crown and frontal area. So you can see my technician know how finely he's going and through the procedure. Cutting, trimming and styling. So, and you can see this system is a friendly system. So you can see this very clearly. So this will give a very good hairline once we do the complete bonding procedure. So the beauty of this hair patch is that we can give a very fine scalp kind of texture. So you can closely look into it. Can you see it? So now everyone is going to see the complete transformation. My customer is so happy now that he's got so delighted that he's okay to reveal his identity. As I told you earlier, all our videos are live videos and they are 100% live customers. Whoa, wow. Amazing, sir. So as you described, you're really looking very amazing. So now you tell us, sir, 2 words to people who are seeing this video.
Sure. I recommend WDI, and everybody should try this at least once in their life. When you try it, you will know that there is a real difference. In 1 hour, you will be taken back 15-20 years in your life. You will feel very young.
Great. Sir, see, our company believes in giving customer delight. So did we give you a customer delight experience?
Yes, of course. And one more thing, I really don't feel like I'm wearing a
hair system.
It looks like I'm just having my natural hair when I'm seeing in the mirror.
Great.